In today's video, we will be checking out the Lefant LS1 robot vacuum cleaner. It is one of the latest models of vacuum cleaners available in the market. The packaging is professional. Let's check out what is included inside the product packaging. Inside the box, users will find one user guide pack to guide users on the product operation. Next out, users will find the Lefant LS1 robot vacuum cleaner, packed securely in the cardboard packing. A charging docking station is included. To allow users to recharge the robot after use, a wall power adapter is provided, along with 4 sweeping brushes to clean your floors. A filter is also provided, all packed neatly in the product packing. On first impressions, the Lefant LS1 robot vacuum cleaner looks really elegant and stylish in black. Love the reflective coating on the vacuum. There are elegant metallic keys on the robot vacuum too, to control the robot. The dustbin on the Lefant LS1 can be accessed from the back. It is good sized and can hold a good amount of dirt on each run, sufficient for my home or office space. Underneath the robot vacuum, there is a removable brush for ease of cleaning. Now let's install the sweeping brushes onto the robot. Simply attach it by pressing it down on the respective slots. Next, set up the docking station of the Lefant LS1. Just place it in the corner of your room and plug it into your wall outlet. Remember to download the Lefant app from your app store to gain full access to all features of the robot vacuum. Power on the robot.
Welcome to use the Lefant robot vacuum. Please scan the body QR code, download the correct app, and connect to internet to get a better experience.
What a nice voice prompt on first use. Remember to connect to the Lefant app and sync the robot to the app by following the on-screen instructions by selecting the model and Wi-Fi network to connect to. I finished setting up the vacuum in around 5 minutes. Really simple. The home page layout of the Lefant app looks neat and organized. I can see a virtual mapping of my home surroundings on the app. Really cool. With the app, I can set customized zones within my home, add no-go zones, set cleaning areas and more. The real-time mapping system allows you to set custom cleaning areas from your phone. Cool. I also can set cleaning schedules in app along with suction power settings and more. The app allows me to get so much customization and features I can use on Lefant robot vacuum. Lefant LS1 robot vacuum cleaner has an all-in-one body, which means there is no mechanical collision plate as it utilizes sensors on it to avoid collisions. There are also no gaps on the robot for ease of maintenance. It cleans well on different surfaces, like wooden flooring, or carpets as it is carpet pressurization, to auto-enhance suction power when carpet is detected for better cleaning. A benefit of the Lefant LS1 is its thin and small body size, to allow it to enter low or narrow areas between furnitures for cleaning. Good design. Now let's conduct a suction test. I have a whole range of dirt and particles set up here. Let's see how the Lefant LS1 cleans it up. As you saw, in one go, the Lefant LS1 swept every single bit of dust and dirt that was left on my floors, leaving it spotless. Great. It has smart sensors to avoid obstacles, thanks to FreeMove 3.0, an exclusive technology on the Lefant LS1 along with LDS navigation integrated body sensors on the robot to allow it to avoid obstacles with the use of sensors, preventing jamming or trouble by reducing the chance of getting stuck. Great. After use, simply empty the dustbin and place it back in the machine. Simply dock it at the charging station after use to recharge. Overall, I find the Lefant LS1 robot vacuum cleaner a good option for households that require a robot vacuum that is modern, durable and effective in cleaning their floors. I like the design and functional build and features of it. If you want to find out more about the Lefant LS1 vacuum cleaner, check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.